To install BikeCAD Pro on a PC, log into your account on BikeCAD.ca, click the My Account link, and select the Files tab. At the time of this video, we can get the latest version by clicking BikeCAD 20.6 PC.zip. We should find this downloaded file in our Downloads folder. You can go there and extract the contents of the zip file, or, if we like, we can open it directly from our browser. We'll double-click on the executable setup file. Notice here that Microsoft Defender Smart Screen has recognized the potential danger in a file downloaded from the internet. Of course, this file is safe, so we can click More Info and then Run Anyway. Along the way, we'll see two checkboxes giving us the option to add an icon to the desktop and/or Start menu. We'll also have to click Yes when asked if we want to allow an MSI file to make changes to our device. We can click Finish on the Setup dialog box and then click the desktop icon to launch BikeCAD Pro. Launching it the first time will take longer because a configuration folder called BikeCAD 20.6 Configuration needs to be extracted at this time. This folder will end up in your user directory. It will contain libraries of standard components and personal preferences. The program itself is installed in the Program Files directory.